Hi, my name is Dennis and today we'll check out this stylish Hisense kitchen hood that brings a breath of fresh air to any kitchen, be it modern or traditional. Depending on the installation possibilities, you can use this hood for recirculation or extraction. Extraction removes cooking odors from the kitchen completely. It efficiently draws up steam, traps vapors in a filter, then expels odors outside using a fan, helping to keep the air inside fresh. The stale air is extracted out of the room using ducting through to the outside wall and into the open space outside of your home. Now, if you don't have the luxury of having an outside wall nearby, you can use it as a recirculation hood as well. That does not need the installation of ducts for extraction. This easy-to-install solution draws steam up through a filter, removing odors before recirculating clean air and bringing it back into the kitchen. Its maximum extraction rate is 650 cubic meters per hour, and by recirculation, it's 380 cubic meters per hour. Now, if you're probably wondering what is the best hood for your kitchen, it's the size of the volume of the air inside of your kitchen that determines what extraction rate and hood capacity you need. On average, your hood should replace the air 10 to 20 times per hour. To find out what's the best hood for your kitchen, do this. Measure both sides of your kitchen and measure the height. Multiply the values, multiply by 10, and that's your baseline. So for example, if your kitchen is 3 meters wide and 4 meters long and 2.5 meters high, you come up with 300 cubic meters per hour. In a nutshell, if your kitchen area is less than 30 square meters, this is the perfect hood for you. This hood has mechanical controls, one for turning on the hood, 3 for different speeds of operation, and 1 for turning on the lights. Like all Hisense hoods, this one has a washable grease filter, making it easier for you to maintain your appliance for a greater cleaning efficiency for a longer period of time. It also comes with energy efficient illumination, LED lights, which means that you can now clearly see what you're cooking, frying, or simmering. Thanks for watching.